How to make a link on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up Safari and go to the website you want to create a link for. Once the page loads, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down through the list of available actions. Find and tap the Add to Home screen option. On the next screen, you can customize the name for your link as it will appear on the home screen. After naming your link, tap Add in the top right corner. An icon for the website will now be added to your home screen, acting as a direct link. Tapping this new icon opens the website. Tap on the share icon below and choose the Messages app. As you can see, you can tap on the text input field at the bottom. Also, you can type the recipient's name into the To field. Once you are done, click on the Send button to send the pasted message. Following these steps, you can easily make a link on an iPhone.